Hey guys, this is Micah from Origami for Cause, and today we are going to make the origami shield. In order to make the origami shield, you'll need 1 square sheet of origami paper. Anyways, let's begin. First, turn the paper so it's like a diamond. Then take this bottom corner right here and fold it to the top corner. Make sure to line this corner up with the top corner, and then make a crease. Then unfold. Then take this point over here and fold it to the middle and make a crease. Then take this point over here and also fold it to the middle and make sure these 2 points meet at the middle. And then make a crease. Then flip over the model and take this top corner and fold it down so then you don't see any of this extra part overlapping, and then it's just perfect. Then turn the model over and take this part over here and fold it down so that it's not overlapping and it's just like this. It might not always be perfect, like touching. If it's like overlapping a little, that's still fine. Then turn the model back over and turn it so this is blank and there's 2 flaps on these sides right here. Then take this corner right here and fold it to the middle. I recommend you turning the model this way so you can kind of get an easier grip of it. And make a crease right here. Then turn the model over and take this corner and fold it to the middle. Then unfold those 2 folds, take this corner right here and fold it to the crease you just made, which is right here. And then make a crease. Then turn the model over and take this bottom corner right here and fold it to that crease you just made. Then take this top part and fold it down so that on each side it's like connecting like a perfect line right here. And before you make the crease, check with the other side. And then you make a crease. Now your model will look something like this. Now take this corner over here and fold it so that right here, this fold, the end of the fold, meets to that corner right there. And then make a crease. Then unfold and make sure that the end of this crease right here, as you can see, meets this corner. Then make a crease. Then unfold, take this part right here, and you'll see the creases that you just made are gonna make something like this. This is gonna be the handle for your shield. Now we're almost done. Take this side and fold it to the middle and make a crease. Now turn the model over and fold this part down to the middle and make a crease. And there you have the origami shield. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.